Hello fellow crafters, I'm Karen, and this is the third and final part of our 1920s dress tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to complete the dress by assembling the pieces we've made so far. Welcome back for our part 3 video of our 1920s dress. In this video, we're picking up from parts 1, where we made our skirt, and 2, where we made our bodice, and we're going to be using this time to connect the two to each other and to hem off the skirt. So here are the materials and tools you'll need for this. We're picking up with the skirt and the bodice, so you need both of those pieces. And then you're going to need the same sort of equipment that we've been using all along, things so that you can iron and pin and sew. To connect our bodice to our skirt, we're going to need to pin them together. And this is going to be the most critical point because you want to make sure that the front of your skirt matches the front of your bodice, and you don't want it to be offset or anything because we're going to be sewing it in place. So I'm going to be starting with my bodice right side out, and I'm going to flip the skirt inside out so that the front of the skirt lines up with the front of the bodice right sides together, so outsides together. And from there, we'll work around, we'll pin all of it in place. I'm going to be doing the same method that I've used on prior steps, where we're going to sew a seam at the 1-inch line. Then we'll fold both sides of the fabric in on each other as the hem, and then we'll sew a seam there to make the hem. And then I'll probably just iron it a little bit flat so that the seam folds down as opposed to just kind of floundering in there. That process took a little bit longer than I expected, but it went smoothly, so we've got our nice inside seam and we've ironed it so that it faces downward. And the last thing that we need to do is to hem the skirt. Hemming the skirt is actually a fairly easy step. I'm going to be ironing a lot, so I'm going to be using my ironing tool here, which allows me to I have my 1-inch mark on this side, so I will iron up to the 1-inch mark, and then I can just fold it under and sew again. So we'll do our pinning in the middle there, but this is a largely ironing stage. Thanks for supporting Tickled Fancy Crafting by watching this video. This content is available on YouTube and Rumble, so click the like or Rumble button to let me know that you enjoyed the content, and subscribe to see new Tickled Fancy Crafting videos in your feed. If you'd like to be informed directly about the content, ring the notification bell on YouTube or adjust your notification settings on Rumble. Comment with crafts that you would like to see in the future, and remember, you can make this.